In this video, we see the auditor auditing high-level production plans become detailed hourly schedules for automotive door panels. The process is crucial for meeting customer delivery requirements. This relates to IATF 16949, Clause 8.5.1.7 Production Scheduling, Clause 8.5.1.2 Control Plan and Standardized Work. The competencies defined in the Process Approach section of the IATF Auditor Guide, particularly Section 5, are applicable. In particular, the competency prioritization, focusing on processes that can have a direct impact on the customer. Observe this video to see if the auditor undertakes an effective audit.
So, obviously you've given me the overview of the high-level production planning. Now I want to look at the detailed planning for the door panel cell, because we're going to be auditing that in a minute.
Okay.
So could you explain the purpose of this board to me?
Yes, this is for help us to control the production. So here we see what reference we are production. So here is the part name of the part.
So what is this? Is the order number?
This is the order number,
right.
Production.
So 2770610.
Yes.
Okay.
So here we have the target, and this is the real parts that we are producing.
So 60 per hour is the target.
Yes, yes.
1 a minute.
One
yeah.
a minute.
And this is 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
Yes.
9 o'clock, 10 o'clock.
This is the
why 50 here? Why 60, 60, 50?
Because we have a break, and we have that program break. So for the lunch.
Okay, so 10 minutes.
So
yeah.
Yes, and here we are designing the classify the break.
Yeah.
And we have a table that help us to know how which break we have to register.
Right.
Okay.
So have there been any defects identified this morning?
Sorry.
Any defects
this
morning?
This morning doesn't happen.
No. Okay. But no, I like this where you've identified the defect type.
Yes.
So maybe what we'll do is go and have a look at some historic data for previous days to see whether there's any non-conformities.
It's all results are in the digital. That information I have in digital in my computer, and I can show you.
Yeah. So I have the control plan ready for the door panel assembly. I understand there's a left hand and a right hand.
Yes.
So I want to audit maybe 3 stations in this cell.
Yes.
So I'll be making reference to the control plan. The work instructions, where are the work instructions?
It's right here, okay.
Can we have a look at an example maybe for this cell?
Yes.
Could you show me an example?
Yes.
We can put on here.
Yeah.
So maybe if we can look at the final test cell.
Here represents the layout of the station, okay, and here represents the first station, okay.
So this is station 1.
Yes, station 1, okay, and all.
Right, so we'll be using this when we go into the cell then.
Okay, the third one. So start here.
Yeah, okay, so we'll be using that in a minute. When we go into the cell, I'm going to be asking some questions around competency and training of the operators. Do you have that information available here? Which operator can operate which cell? Is that here?
That information is informatic. That I can show you.
So we'll look at that after we finish the audit in the cell.
Yes. Here we have a resist that operator have the training about all documents.
Right.
Okay.
So we'll refer to that in a minute then when we
Yeah,
go into the cell.
If I'm going to training Paul, okay,
Yeah.
I have a register how many hours you work here,
Yeah.
and if I doing an audit,
Yeah.
and if you are doing all steps right,
Yeah.
I register that you are training.
I'm confident. Okay, so if we look at that in a few minutes then when we go into the cell.
Yes.
Okay, let's go into the cell.
So let's go.
Yeah.
In this video, we see the auditor preparing to audit the door panel assembly cell by questioning the process owner on how the local production planning works for the cell. This relates to IATF 16949 requirements 8.5.1.7, which states the organisation shall ensure that production is scheduled in order to meet customer orders demands, such as just-in-time, JIT, and it's supported by an information system that permits access to production information at key stages of the process and is order-driven. You see that this does not mandate a specific method of production planning. It can be automated, manual, visual displays, or a mixture of both. It was good that the auditor questioned the target daily throughput and viewed data for the current day to verify targets are being met. He also started to check back data from previous days to see if any shortfalls in performance had been noted. In preparation to audit the cell, the auditor made good reference to the control plan and also identified the location of the work instructions and records to demonstrate the competencies of operators working in the cell. It appeared the location of the work instructions met the 8.5.1.2 requirement, accessible for use at the designated work area. In summary, the auditor did some good preparation before going into the production cells and sampling workstations.